CrowdSpring Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into CrowdSpring, a specialized freelancer platform designed for creatives and businesses looking for top-notch design and branding solutions. Links to explore CrowdSpring are included in the description below. CrowdSpring is tailored for creative professionals, particularly graphic designers, branding experts, and writers, offering a unique platform where businesses can crowdsource high-quality creative work. Whether you're a freelancer specializing in logo design, website creation, product naming, or packaging, CrowdSpring provides an avenue to showcase your skills and connect with clients worldwide. One of the platform's standout features is its contest-based model. Businesses post their project requirements and set a budget, and freelancers compete by submitting their best work. The client selects their favorite submission, and the winning freelancer gets paid. This structure not only encourages innovation, but also gives freelancers an opportunity to prove their capabilities directly through their work. For those who prefer direct assignments, CrowdSpring also offers a one-on-one project option, allowing businesses to hire freelancers based on their portfolios without running a contest. This provides flexibility for both clients and freelancers, catering to those who value speed and personalized collaboration. CrowdSpring is especially ideal for freelancers with a strong creative portfolio who thrive in competitive environments. The platform supports various categories, including logo design, website design, naming, and product packaging, making it a versatile choice for different types of projects. Freelancers benefit from transparent pricing, global exposure, and a community-driven approach. Businesses, on the other hand, gain access to a vast pool of talented professionals and the ability to receive multiple creative concepts within a short time frame. In summary, CrowdSpring is a top-tier platform for creative freelancers looking to connect with businesses seeking innovative design and branding solutions. Its contest-based model, diverse project categories, and direct hire options make it a unique and rewarding marketplace. Check out the link in the description to explore CrowdSpring and take your freelancing journey to the next level.